Now, let me show you how you can always show time on your iPad. So there are some things you can actually do in here. First of all, if we go to our settings app like this, I'm going to make it go full screen. But the point is that in settings, when you find display and brightness on the left panel, you can modify some things, of course, but one of them is the auto lock feature. Right, so as you can see, you can set it to different lengths, really. So the shortest one is 2 minutes, but you can as well set it to never, which means that the screen is basically going to stay on indefinitely unless you click the power button or it runs out of the battery. So you can click the never option. You get a little warning there that it may use more energy, which is kind of expected. But then if you want to make sure that the iPad always shows time, you can essentially just be on the home screen, swipe down to access so many of these things. Of course, if you have like notifications going on, you can definitely clear it out. And now you have the lock screen, which is always going to be on, right? So it's not going to go black or anything. But yeah, I mean, we can still see the time, which is okay. But if you want to put your iPad on a display somewhere, it would make sense to customize it in a sense that the time is larger. So you can hold it down on it like this, click on a customize, and you can expand and make the time much bigger, potentially even change the background so it looks much more clear or apparent, right? Like obviously you can go to and set up like different modes where the time is going to be visible better, right? So I guess if I would want to make the time prominent, I would just create a new wallpaper. I would just pick the color, right? And I would kind of like change it to something else, right? So for example, let me choose black in here. Now the time, I'm going to switch it to the regular mode, make it as large as I can, and I would perhaps make it white, right? So you know, if I make it solid and white, you can see that the time is clearly visible. So I added this as my wallpaper. You know, I'm going to set it up this way. And then now you can see that the time is very clearly visible. The screen is not going to lock itself because we set it to never lock itself. So that gets the job done. And that's how it's going to look. Keep in mind, however, that essentially when I lock the display right now, like this, and click the button again, now the display is closed and it's like the iPad is locked, which means that the screen does go black, right? So you can see that if you are in this situation, the screen is going to go black again. So what you have to do is to unlock the iPad at first, like swipe up, scan your face, or type in the code, and then now swipe down again to access the lock screen. And now the screen is going to stay on, it's going to keep displaying the time, and it's basically the thing which we wanted to achieve. So I hope it makes sense. I just dumped all of the information I knew about that into this video. So let me know what you think about this below. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you later in future uploads.